Jeffrey Epstein was a wealthy American financier who used his elite social circle to operate a global sex trafficking ring involving royalty and world leaders. After years of evading justice, he was finally arrested in 2019 on federal charges. He was found dead in his Manhattan jail cell shortly after, a death officially ruled a suicide but shrouded in controversy. The massive 2026 file dump reignited the scandal, revealing suspicious details like the decoy body tactic used by jail staff to evade the media. With investigators questioning his final notes and missing surveillance footage, these systemic failures have kept the mystery of his death alive. And these are the faces found in the files. Trump once called Epstein a terrific guy who liked younger women. But the friendship soured over a 2004 Florida mansion deal and alleged suggestive birthday letters. By 2007, Trump banned Epstein from Mar-a-Lago for good. The records are finally out. Now, 3 million pages of new evidence have unmasked global faces from Indian ministers to British royals. Fast montage of faces from files. The documents are out, the decoys are gone, and the truth is finally catching up. His wife, Melania Trump, who was First Lady, was also found involved. Alan Dershowitz has been a central figure in the Jeffrey Epstein files due to his dual role as Epstein's former attorney and as an individual accused of sexual misconduct by some victims. Newly unsealed US. Department of Justice documents from February 2026 reveal that Indian businessman Anil Ambani had connections with Jeffrey Epstein between 2017 and 2019, discussing business and personal matters. The records indicate Ambani sought to use Epstein's network for political access, including meetings with Jared Kushner and Steve Bannon. One exchange included a discussion regarding a tall Swedish blonde woman. Woody Allen appears in the Jeffrey Epstein files, primarily through emails and photographs that detail a social and personal relationship between the filmmaker, his wife Sooni Previn, and Epstein. The documents, released by the U.S. Department of Justice and the House Oversight Committee as of February 2026, do not accuse Allen of any crimes or involvement in Epstein's sexual. Released in early 2026, the DOJ files reveal Bill Gates met with Epstein multiple times between 2011 and 2014, including a 2013 flight on Epstein's jet. Unsent emails from Epstein alleged Gates had an affair and sought help managing an STI, claims Gates has dismissed as completely false. While no criminal charges were filed, the documents include photos of Gates at Epstein's properties and detailed failed plans for a multi-billion-dollar charitable fund. Gates maintains the association was a huge mistake, driven by philanthropic interests. Epstein Files Transparency Act has revealed the extensive relationship between Steve Bannon and Jeffrey Epstein in the years leading up to Epstein's 2019 death. Former Israeli Prime Minister Ehud Barak has come under intense scrutiny for his extensive ties to Jeffrey Epstein. Between November 2025 and February 2026, U.S. government releases identified Tom Barrack in the Epstein files. Emails from March 2016 show Jeffrey Epstein requesting photos of Barrack with a child, stating they make me smile. Epstein later confirmed receipt of the images, replying that the photos look good. In February 2026, DP World Chairman Sultan Ahmed bin Sulayem was identified in unredacted Department of Justice files as a central figure in a decade-long relationship with Jeffrey Epstein, with his name appearing over 5,000 times. Documents revealed graphic, lewd emails, a 2009 exchange regarding a torture video, and evidence of bin Sulayem facilitating masseuse training for Epstein staff. Further controversy includes photographs of the pair with sacred kiswa cloth and documented visits to Little St. James. These disclosures have prompted some financial institutions to pause investments in DP World while the CEO faces intense global scrutiny. Todd Boehly, the chairman of Chelsea FC and co-owner of the Los Angeles Dodgers, appears in a newly released cache of over 3 million documents related to Jeffrey Epstein disclosed by the U.S. Department of Justice in early 2026. The records detail 2 business-related meetings involving Boehly in 2011, Approximately 3 years after Epstein's 2008 conviction for sex offenses, Deepak Chopra, the world-renowned wellness guru, has been identified in a massive release of Jeffrey Epstein's files. The released Epstein files reveal a personal relationship between Deepak Chopra and Jeffrey Epstein from 2016 to 2019, featuring correspondence with inappropriate remarks regarding cute girls and suggestions to visit Israel under a pseudonym. Unsealed FBI memos and court documents reveal a very close relationship between David Copperfield and Jeffrey Epstein, with records showing at least 16 instances of contact under the moniker Magic David. While investigators probed allegations of potential victim referrals and witness testimonies suggesting involvement in recruitment, Copperfield was never charged, and his legal team denies any wrongdoing. Released in early 2026, the DOJ files reveal Bill Gates met with Epstein multiple times between 2011 and 2014, including a 2013 flight on Epstein's jet. Unsent emails from Epstein alleged Gates had an affair and sought help managing an STI, claims Gates has dismissed as completely false. While no criminal charges were filed, the documents include photos of Gates at Epstein's properties and detailed failed plans for a multi-billion-dollar charitable fund. Gates maintains the association was a huge mistake, driven by philanthropic interests. Minister of Indian Petroleum and Gas Hardeep Puri. In the recent records show, Puri met Epstein at his Manhattan residence on at least 3 occasions between 2015 and 2017. One email from October 2014 shows Epstein seeking Puri's help to secure an urgent Indian visa for an assistant. Crown Princess Mette-Marit of Norway, whose name reportedly appears over 1,000 times in the document cache. The correspondence, spanning from 2011 to 2014, reveals that the princess had researched Epstein shortly after their initial meeting. In a 2011 email, she admitted to him that his search results didn't look good. Despite this acknowledgement of his criminal past, the files show she maintained a close friendship for 3 more years, including a previously undisclosed stay at his Palm Beach estate in 2013. The communications include highly controversial exchanges, such as discussions where she reportedly suggested Scandinavian women were better wife material in response to Epstein's wife hunting, as well as more informal, unusual requests regarding interior design and expressions of frustration with the boredom of her royal duties. Released emails show Epstein attempted to contact Ratner several times between 2010 and 2018 through assistants. One 2012 email from Epstein claims he was sitting next to Brett Ratner at the Cannes Film Festival. Ratner has denied having any personal relationship with Epstein and stated he only met him once. He clarified that the woman he was seen cuddling in the sofa photo was his fiancée at the time, who had invited him to the event where the picture was taken approximately 20 years ago. Hawking's name appears at least 232 times in the broader archive of Epstein-related files. Viral social media posts claiming Hawking was a participant in illicit activities are largely based on misinterpretations of the email mentioned. Martin Nowak maintained close financial ties to Jeffrey Epstein, receiving $6.5 million in donations for his Harvard research program post-conviction. He provided unauthorized university access and a private office to Epstein, facilitating numerous visits. Additionally, Nowak enabled the rehabilitation of Epstein's image by featuring him as a philanthropist. Consequently, Harvard sanctioned Nowak in 2021 before reinstating him in 2022. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update.